G'day everyone. Just a quick video showing what I've done. I've decided to make this video because I haven't really seen anything like it before, and what I'm hoping comes from this video is that other people can maybe elaborate on it, make the designs a bit better. I'm really excited to see what other people can do, so hopefully it catches on. But essentially all I've done is made some little display pieces using obviously some of my Lego Star Wars sets, but the other main products I've used, as you can see, the block tape. It's made by a company called Mayka. Well, that's the name of the tape, not sure if that's the actual company, but it's Mayka block tape, and it works with all Lego. It's extremely compatible and it works, surprisingly. A lot of things these days don't, especially when they claim to, but it works pretty well, especially for what I'm using it for. But the other thing I've used are these little display boxes, which you can actually purchase from IKEA. All it is some perspex with a sliding door that can come out, and you can notice they've got 4 little holes at the back of each box. That's because it comes with little feet that can screw in if you want to attach it to a wall or just display it on your table. I just decided to leave them out because it's easier to stack them and have them back to back and whatnot. And even though they're entry holes, it's still pretty good at stopping the dust from getting in, from what I've noticed, so that's another bonus. But one of the good things about the block tape is obviously the colours. They're extremely vibrant, and Mayka's clearly tried to have a different colour for each scenario that you come up with, and when you buy each colour it kind of has a little picture on the front of the container showing what it goes with. Like the sand one kind of goes with the army Lego and stuff like that. And as soon as I saw it, I knew it'd be awesome for Star Wars, because everybody that loves Star Wars knows how many different planets and terrains and everything there is. So it's endless, the possibilities. And these are only 4 of the colours. There's about another 4, I think. But hopefully, because it's caught on so well, they'll come out with even more colours in the near future, which I think would be awesome, because it's already a pretty effective product. But yeah, the display boxes themselves, I'm from Australia, so from IKEA here they're $20 each. Obviously, depending on where you're from, that price will change, but they are a little bit pricey if you're going to keep buying them for different sets. It'll all add up eventually, but if you're like me and you really like displaying your pieces, it's worth it. Like, they're pretty good. They're good quality, and it takes the stress out of making something yourself, because that was my only other option, but both time and money come into it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just, if you guys, I didn't include the names of each set in this, because this one here up on the top left hand corner is actually part of a bigger set, and it's just one part of it, whereas these other ones are all their own set. But if you want to know what the sets are, just ask me and I'll let you know. I'll reply. But yeah, that's all. Thanks guys. So hopefully this gives some people more ideas, or they try it themselves, because I found it's pretty effective. And like I said, I haven't seen anything like it yet, which is surprising considering everything that's on the internet these days, but who knows, maybe something will come of this. But yeah, thanks for your time guys. Have a good one.